So today we're going to be cooking some breast fillets and we're going to be making a macaroni dish. So if you would love to see more recipes or just trying to survive at home making a good meal very fast, please do make sure to stick around and do subscribe. Press that subscribe button and comment something nice. Tell me how you cook your breast fillets. Okay, so now we're gonna prepare the chicken fillets and we're gonna boil it a little bit and then fry it. So meanwhile everything else is cooking, the gem squash and the chicken fillets, I'm just gonna prepare this as I want to fry it in a separate pot. So these are not yet cooked. I just want to cut them into half, and I also want to take the potato. It's not cooked yet, but I want to slice it and then put it on the air fryer.